Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 37. Dispersion of white light is the ability of white light to A. Penetrate air, water and glass, B. Move in a straight line, C. Move around corners, D. Separate to its component colors. Now the concept we are looking at here is dispersion of white light, and dispersion of white light is defined as the separation of white light into its constituent spectrum of colors when it passes through a glass prism. Now, the spectrum of constituent colors can be recognized by the mnemonic Roy Beef. Okay, so that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So we have defined dispersion of white light as the separation of white light into its constituent spectrum or constituent colors. So option D says separate to its component colors. So that, in summary, is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.